Hey, what's good, YouTube? Your boy Anthony Lyons here again with another video. AL Designs is going to be very, very busy in upcoming weeks and hopefully throughout the whole year. I got a lot of stuff going on. Up next, the next project I got is this Rockford Fosgate 15-inch subwoofer. I'm going to build a box for it. There's all the wood over there. Chase is here. Chase. Hey, Chase. Chase and I are going to be busy in this garage for the next few weeks. Again, I got a lot of projects going on. I got this 15-inch woofer going into an Impala, and then I have older Impala. The 15's going in a fairly new Impala, and then the older Impala. This is the start of a center console for that, so stay tuned for that. Please subscribe, like, and subscribe on the channel. By no means am I a good editor, but all these next videos are going to be uncut, raw, and uncensored, I guess you can say. So got some cool stuff going on, and stay tuned for this video. I think this is going to be a video of the step-by-step on this big-ass 15-inch woofer, which, you know, I haven't done too many 15 inches in a long time, so I felt like doing a video of it. So let's get to it. All right, YouTube, here we go. So getting started on a 15-inch subwoofer, and I figured I'd get you a little info on how I plan my box building. First things first, I go straight to the manufacturer specs, look up what they're asking for, required for best sound on the airspace, and all the cutout measurements, all that good stuff. Then I go to my calculator, plug in all the numbers, get my target airspace, get all my measurements on top, bottom, sides, bracing, front, back, and then I start cutting everything out as I drink my moonshine. I don't recommend that, using a table saw with moonshine, but that's what I do to get the job done. So stay tuned. All right. And just like that, I got all the pieces cut. I said table saw earlier, but I actually don't really have a table saw. I have a tiny table saw over there, but I use it for, you know, everyday house stuff. It's a small one. This garage doesn't have the size for a true table saw. So what I do, just so you guys know, if you have a small space and you're trying to cut wood and get things perfect and dialed in, I have a router table set up. Got this router table, and I got all kinds of different bits. I get a lot of my bits from Mobile Solutions. Shout out to Mobile Solutions. I get my bits from them. And I also have a bunch of templates from Mobile Solutions, as well as Kingpin University. So the red stuff is from Kingpin University, and the gray stuff is from Mobile Solutions. Both are good companies that help me do what I need to do. So basically, I rough cut everything, and then I use these straight edge templates, circle templates, to get everything dialed in perfect with a flush trim bit, like so. This bit's not from Mobile Solutions, but I have various different bits and different cuts that will allow me to do what I got to do. So if you guys ever need to get the job done without having a table saw, that's how you do it. So now I'll put it all together and we'll see what we got. Stay tuned. And just like that, we got it all put together. Now this is temporarily in car's not here. We're gonna do a few little things to the Impala. This is part one. I'll do a part two once I get it in the car. There's gonna be some more little edge detailing on the box. We'll round over the edges, smooth everything out, sand it nice, and then carpet it. And then we're gonna do like a pass through the back seat from the trunk to the inside of the cabin. So we'll stay tuned for that. Please like and subscribe so you can see part two of the 15-inch subwoofer box from Rockford Fosgate going into a Impala. So stay tuned.